You are here because you want to make better videos, right? Welcome to the complete video editing course with Camtasia Studio. I am Mashuk Sarkar Batista and I am the professional video editor working with video editing for past 3 years and still now. I am the instructor of this course. Now let's talk about course overview. At first, we talk about the basic interface of Camtasia Studio software. Then we learn how to record your computer screen, split and delete unwanted portions from your video, adding text, images and logos in your video, adding different type of transition behavior in our video clip, blur out any confidential info and watermark, crop video and adding some cool effect on it, adding different type of transition effect in our video, highlighted effect in mouse pointer, create super cool spotlight effect in your video, adding slow motion or fast motion effect in your video, zoom in and zoom out your video footage, adding caption manually in your any type of video, recording Microsoft PowerPoint slideshow presentation, removing noise from your audio clip, adding custom background music of your any video, adding voice narration. In our advanced video editing section, we will learn how to make GIF inside in Camtasia, how to play multiple videos in one screen, green screen video production, create slideshow video from scratch step by step. Also, we will learn advanced color grading. This way we can easily make our video cinematic. Not only that, we also learn how easily we can edit square shape videos using Camtasia. These type of videos engage really well in social media. Also, we learn the best render setting for your final edited video and much more. Thank you so much for your interest in this course. Hope you are excited as I am. Now what are you waiting for? Take this course now and start learning screen recording and video editing with Camtasia Studio.